Hello friends, today we're going to make cream of spinach soup. The spinach soup with a touch of nutmeg and some cream is a classic combination and this flavor justifies that distinction. So let's get started. So the first step is in a soup pot, saute finely chopped onion and butter and cook for 30 seconds or until light brown. Stir in flour and let it cook for a while. Keep stirring it so it doesn't get burned. Add chicken stock into it and let it simmer. In the meantime, blanch roughly chopped and mashed fresh or frozen spinach for 5-7 minutes. Blend it well along with milk until smooth and creamy and stir into the stock. Here we're going to add some salt, nutmeg powder, white pepper and black crushed pepper. Keep stirring and let it cook for around 10-15 minutes on low flame or until thicken. Switch off the flame, add some fresh cream and serve it warm with more fresh cream on top. Look at the vibrant, rich color of the spinach soup. It not only looks refreshing, but also is very light and delicious. Like and subscribe for more upcoming amazing recipes soon. Bye bye.